This is the TVR Tuscan without the hardtop roof on it. It's got 2 latches in the trunk or the boot and 1 latch right there. Very easy to take off, very light. The rear glass does come off, but being a one-man band today, I'd rather not risk it. I don't know if it's very heavy or not, but just in case. The top is quite light, very easy to take off for 1 person. This TVR Tuscan, the original TVR Tuscans did not have the only part of the actual hood or bonnet that removed was the front. And so there was a modification that was done by a lot of people to be able to remove this part instead of the entire front clip. This car has it done, so there's little clips under here. You just press them in and lift them up. There's 2 basically kind of like ball joints that will open the trunk super easy, or open the boot, so that way you can actually see, you know, and access the engine bay if you need to. As you already probably know, that's how you open it. You press this button, electric, and then the window rolls down and it locks, unlocks, and then comes open, as you see. When you close the door, the window also goes up by itself. The trunk you open just by pressing and you'll hear it, and then you just kind of stick your fingers in here and open right up. And you see someone's added an amplifier to this one for the stereo. There's a latch right under here that you just simply pull on it to open up the mechanism for the hard top. You can see it probably a little bit better over here as well. And it's just a little latch that you pull both sides, and that way the top removes. Neither of the bonnets have actual mechanisms inside, so you basically just pull a little tug. I'll demonstrate here. Just do a little tug on that side, and that's how they come off. Obviously the car's fiberglass, so there's not much weight to it at all.